Good morning, everyone. So, thanks for watching my video. So, after various trials and errors of combinations of five elements of nature, the creator has created this wonderful machine called human being, right? So, this is the peak of the evolution of living organisms. There is no other species combined with these kinds of technology. Okay, so this is the right combination of earth, air, space, fire, and water. So, as many gurus says, this is the only one species which has got a vivid sense of memory and extraordinary sense of imagination. Especially our enlightened gurus of this country, Mother India. This is the highly evolved organism on this earth. So due to this, he has got so many thoughts and emotions. Okay, so the byproducts of these thoughts and emotions are your imagination and the memory. The thoughts and emotions are the byproducts of this imagination and memory. So most of our friends or living organisms, especially this human being, if they fail to handle these thoughts and emotions, their life is going to seek the end with huge chaos. Okay, so we should not give our life into these hands of these highly volatile thoughts and emotions, which are very basically contextual, and their traces will be vanished very soon. So especially our friends like who are in the category of students and especially farmers. So I am concerned only of these two categories. They are committing suicides. Some of the statistics at max they are saying for an hour, for an every hour, one student is committing suicide. So the major reasons are not known so far, because the reasons of the individuals are totally relative things. So just for very meager reasons they are committing suicide. And also farmers. So the farmers are committing suicide. They are also for an every hour one farmer is committing suicide in this country. So this is also a not good sign, because the students are the building blocks of this country, and the farming community or the agriculture is the backbone of any country and this country, because these two things are the future of any country. If these two are in right path, the country will be in right path. So what they have to think is that whatever the problem comes in their life, either it could be marks, study, money, crops, yield, one thing they have to do is that they have to give their best to achieve these things, and they should give the results into the hands of time. Time is the best doctor. Even overall the scientists, they cannot cure the corona. Only time heals the corona or any kind of pandemic. Time heals it. So whatever the situations, time is the best doctor. And the thing is, the people should accept the reality. When they don't accept the reality and they start living in their own imaginations which are far from the reality, then these kind of thoughts starts emerging in their minds, and when they fail to tackle those thoughts, so when they overtake the senses of human beings, then their survival will be at stake. Then this very dangerous thought comes: what is the need of our life on this earth? Let us commit suicide and let us kill ourselves. So I am making this video why? Because to remember all my friends that once we have born, the day we are born, so the day of death has started itself. So we are not immortal anymore. So to remember you, we are mortal. We are going to die at any one point of the time. So let us give our death into the hands of the nature, and let us not kill ourselves. On this whole earth, on this whole creatures of living organisms, there is only one species commits suicide, that is the human being. Not because of its nature instinct, it is only because of individual instincts. So please don't commit suicide. Suicide is not the answer, but acceptance of the reality is the right answer, and give the results into the hands of time and live happily. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.